Okay, so my name is Vanika Bubna, and I'm in seventh grade from the Cathedral and John Connon Middle School. My project Diabesist helps people from different ages with their diabetic concerns, and it assists the people who are aware of their diabetic status and those who are not. So, based on the amount of sleep, stress levels, diet, family history, symptoms, and the amount of exercise the person does, the AI can predict whether the person is close to getting diabetes or not. It can also help that person by advising them different ways to control their diabetes. So, the reason I chose to create Diabesist is because my father was a diabetic patient, and because of this, he had to make like a lot of lifestyle adjustments, and he also had to undergo a heart attack. And my mother was always worried because the doctors would say it was hereditary for us to get it because my father had it, and so we had to also make a few adjustments. And I always wondered if there could be a solution which would make everyone's lives more easier. So I did further research and I came across an article that stated like the number of children who were suffering from diabetes was increasing by the day, and that currently approximately 95,600 children below the age of 14 are diagnosed with diabetes in India itself. And I realized that this problem could become more severe if it wasn't taken care of at an early stage. So I wanted to solve this problem by using the help of AI, and so that's what I did. I created Diabesist. And I discovered basically through my involvement with the coding in my organization, where I learned my skills of coding and artificial intelligence. And I joining Wacy with my AI project Diabesist for diabetes management offered me a unique chance to showcase the power of artificial intelligence in addressing global health solutions. This competition provided me with a platform not only to present like my innovative solution, but also to encourage other young minds. So like I created a schedule for myself and organized my day so that I had like enough time to work on my project. So I spent around 10 hours in total with my mentor, and I had like one class a week. And I worked independently for around 5 to 6 hours in total. So, first we began by like introducing basic commands to the prompt for the large language model, and we initiated training it on ChatGPT to see how it worked. There were a few drawbacks, and the model tended to introduce itself in like lengthy paragraphs instead of giving like short sentences. So I refined my approach and enhanced the prompt with more details so I could get concise and focused responses. This iterative process allowed me to optimize the model's performance, and like that, I solved all the errors the project was facing. Okay. First and foremost, I would like to share my heartfelt gratitude to the entire OAC community for providing me the platform to demonstrate my skills and ideas. And I hope that many other young minds and who can think alike and maybe solve more problems around the world, like and get inspiration from this, and step up and help people around the world who actually need it using artificial intelligence. And this experience has fueled my determination to continue aiding others affected by diabetes with the help of artificial intelligence. And the encouragement from the WASI community has strengthened my commitment to make sure I make a positive impact on the lives of those affected by diabetes. And I hope many others follow me on this journey. I'm eager to contribute further to this cause, and I'm thankful for the opportunity to share my vision with everyone. And I hope that others um, do the same. So, thank you.